कोई बंदा वीजा ऑफिसर को कैसे कन्विंस कर सकता है मेरे को ये यूनिवर्सिटीज में पढ़ाई करनी है, और वो हर एक वीजा इंटरव्यू पूछते हैं कि why you have selected this
This
university.
institute. They are only concerned to know whether you're a genuine student or not.
Yes, खुद का रिसर्च करना पड़ता है। बहुत सारे लोग बोल रहे हैं कि एमबीए करने के बाद अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है, और इंडिया में तो एमबीए करना ही नहीं चाहिए। इंडिया में नहीं करना चाहिए तो एब्रॉड में करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए?
तो डेफिनेटली करना चाहिए। एमबीए एक वैल्यू है। द वैल्यू ऑफ द प्रोग्राम इज नॉट चेंज। मेनली प्रोबेबली स्टूडेंट्स आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ एमबीए प्रोग्राम।
कोई स्टूडेंट है जो इलिनॉइस टेक में एमबीए करने के लिए जा रहा है स्पेसिफिकली, तो उसकी मिनिमम सैलरी कितनी होगी?
I would say a good median salary for a student would be about $100,000.
$100,000?
Yes.
आपकी यूनिवर्सिटीज के अंदर 10 लाख से लेके 32 लाख की स्कॉलरशिप मिलती है। कैन यू टेल मी अबाउट द क्राइटेरिया कि इतनी सारी स्कॉलरशिप देने के क्राइटेरिया क्या है?
The basic criteria remains: the higher is your GPA or your percentage, the
Okay.
better your scholarship would be.
Yes,
And
yes.
any extracurriculars that you might be able to project on your profile would be also considered for scholarship.
जब इंडिया छोड़ के यूएस आते हैं तो एवरीवन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज। एज अ पर्सन, व्हाट टिप्स यू विल प्रोवाइड टू द इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स? तो आज हम वो यूनिवर्सिटी की बात करने वाले हैं कि जो यूनिवर्सिटी स्कॉलरशिप अच्छी प्रोवाइड करती है, और ग्रेजुएशन होने के बाद बहुत सारा पैकेज, दैट मीन्स कि फुल टाइम जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी प्रोवाइड करते हैं, और ऑल्सो सेफ्टी के लिए भी बहुत अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटी है। ऑल्सो फॉर इंडियन स्टूडेंट इज़ द हाईली रिकमेंडेड दिस यूनिवर्सिटी। तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं इलिनॉइस टेक के बारे में, और हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर और हमारे पॉडकास्ट के ऊपर आज है फरीन मैम, जो इलिनॉइस टेक के एक इंटरनेशनल ग्रेजुएट एडवाइज़र है। दैट मीन्स कि ही इज़ वर्किंग इन द इलिनॉइस टेक, और हम आज उनसे बहुत सारी बात की है रिगार्डिंग द इलिनॉइस टेक, कि जिसके अंदर हम इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट, इंडियन स्टूडेंट को कैसे सपोर्ट करेंगे। लाइक बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन और उसके आंसर हमने ये पॉडकास्ट के अंदर दिए हैं, और उसके अंदर बहुत सारी क्रेजी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको देने वाले हैं कि स्कॉलरशिप के लिए फिर आपको ग्रेजुएशन एडमिशन के क्राइटेरिया क्या है, 3 ईयर डिग्री एक्सेप्ट होती है कि नहीं होती है। बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन ये पॉडकास्ट के अंदर है। तो स्टूडेंट जो भी इंडिया से बाहर एजुकेशन करने के लिए जाने वाले हैं, इनके लिए ये मस्ट वॉच पॉडकास्ट है, और उसको आप लास्ट तक देखना, बिकॉज एट द एंड यू विल गेट कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द अब्रॉड एजुकेशन। तो आईआईटी शिकागो एंड इलिनॉइस टेक, तो आप मेरे को बताइए कि बहुत सारे लोग बोल रहे हैं कि आईआईटी इंडिया ने कुछ नई ब्रांच डाल दी शिकागो के अंदर, तो व्हाट इज द ट्रूथ, व्हाट इज द आईआईटी शिकागो, एंड आई थिंक राइट नाउ द नेम इज इलिनॉइस टेक। तो कैन यू गिव मी अ ट्रूथ अबाउट दैट?
Correct. So we are actually Illinois Institute of Technology, Chicago. So we were fondly named as IIT Chicago,
Yes.
which was quite contradictory to what Illinois Tech and versus what here in India we see IITs
Yes,
are,
yes.
and that's why we're trying to differentiate ourselves. And now
Okay.
we fondly call ourselves as Illinois Tech, just to be our own brand, because
Right,
Illinois
right.
Tech in itself is a very strong brand,
Yeah, it's
brand
very- yes,
for
that's true.
students.
Yeah. So can you tell me more about the Illinois Tech? Like how many program you guys are providing? What are the grade program? What are the undergrad? Like what numbers you have?
Sure, we actually offer over 200 plus programs
Okay.
at both levels, undergrad and grad.
Okay.
We are very strong in terms of technology. So Illinois Tech in itself is very much known as the only tech university in Chicago.
Okay.
So our emphasis and our programs are very much in STEM and technology focused.
okay.
We're the only school in business which is tech focused as well, and that you will only find at Illinois Tech in Chicago region as well. In addition to that, obviously we have computing, College of Computing, a College of Architecture, a
Okay.
Design College. Obviously, we all know the emphasis of Chicago and architecture.
Yes, yes.
You've all seen
All
the
seen that, yes.
beautiful skyline
Beautiful
of
skyline of
Chicago.
Chicago,
So
right.
yeah.
Okay, great. Now I would like to ask you about like कोई भी स्टूडेंट है, इंडिया का स्टूडेंट जिसको इलिनॉइस टेक जाना है,
Correct.
तो what are the USP? Means can you give me a 3 reason why we need to select student need to select IIT Chicago
Sure.
or Illinois Tech? Sorry.
Absolutely. So Illinois Tech, first and foremost, the reason is the location. Chicago in itself, it's
Okay,
a very
yeah.
good place.
It's very beautiful.
full of opportunities as well.
Right.
Not just beautiful, but it's very diversified.
Okay.
It's very, very opportunistic as well. So students who are interested in various fields, from
Right.
manufacturing to maybe engineering, can find job opportunities over there, which is why Chicago as a location is very good for students.
Okay.
Plus, as an institution, what makes us different is that we are also very outcome focused for students. students. So we also launched various specific programs like Elevate, where we assist
Okay.
students to be able to find good outcomes post their undergrad or master's degree completion. And we ensure that the students are more involved in research opportunities,
Okay.
which is what our professors are very focused about as well. So being such a very different practical focused and oriented institution, I think that makes us a big differentiator amongst others. And specifically for Indian students, I'm sure the brand verification, the validation of how the students have been able to being
Yes.
placed, the alumni connections that we have
Right.
as an institution are very, very strong. I think these are few factors which lead students to get
Okay.
attracted to our
Yes.
institution, amongst all the other reasons like programs and scholarship opportunities and academic
Yes.
rigor, etc.
Yeah, that's true. Because I think everyone is promoting the program, but you have mentioned very well the opportunity the university have, the diversify people, the culture, and the technology and research. That's a very good point for the students to select the Illinois Tech. Okay, I would like to ask one more question because specifically all over India and based in Gujarat, parents always concerned about the security and safety.
Correct.
कि शिकागो में सिक्योरिटी और सेफ्टी बहुत कम है, स्टूडेंट सेफ नहीं है, तो लाइक व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दिस? मीन्स आप एज अ एडवाइजर हो, एज अ यूनिवर्सिटी एडवाइजर, यू ट्रैवल अ लॉट, आपने बहुत बार यूएस जाके आए हो, आईआईटी भी देखा हुआ है, इलिनॉइस टेक भी देखा हुआ है, तो अब बताओ, गिव अस अ ट्रूथ कि सिक्योरिटी में बारे में क्या है एज अ पार्ट ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटी.
Correct. So when I was there on the campus, I used to see regular patrolling on the campus, which is extremely rigorous.
Okay.
So always when I put my head up, I would probably see if I'm walking on a stretch, or obviously you have to walk
Yes.
a lot in university.
Yes, you
campuses.
walk a lot. Yeah, that's
So
true.
when I am walking, it was never a place where I'm walking and I couldn't see a patrol car. So we're very
Okay.
strong in terms of patrolling cars
Okay.
as well, and not just from the Department of Security, but also Illinois Tech Security as well.
Okay.
So we have that very much available for students, and we have poles across the campus which
Okay.
are security safety poles. So if you
Okay.
like go and push a button on that, within a few seconds you will see someone will come and assist you there. So say
Okay,
if you're
great.
stuck or there's a tornado or whatever could be the
Okay.
reason, or you don't feel safe, you could
Yes.
actually push that button. This is situated across the campus,
Okay.
and the students can utilize that for safety.
Okay. So it is a 24/7.
24/7.
Okay, so in night, if anyone
Absolutely.
have any problem, they can press the button and
Yes.
the help will be there, right?
And in addition to that, when you mentioned about night, say for an instance, a student is finishing assignment in a library
Yes,
and
yes.
didn't notice it's 10 o'clock already and
Yes.
needs to go back to the dorm, or maybe go back to a nearby location around the
yes.
campus for their accommodation. They can always request an escort. So we
Okay.
have an app where students can actually request a safety escort,
Okay.
and the safety escort would be there in few minutes, and then they will walk them or drive them to their respective dorms or nearby accommodation locations as well.
Wow, that's a great. That means if we talk about the girls specifically,
Yes.
that means it's the safest place. I can say that on campus is very safe.
Absolutely, on and around campus. So
On
we are
around.
based in a little bit of south of Chicago,
Okay.
which obviously means that we are the only institution around in that particular region, which
Okay.
makes it much more safer because we control the region. Our
Okay.
vehicles are patrolling, or the departments that we have in terms of public safety are very
Right.
strong because of that one reason. And then in and around the campus as well, there are multiple people that will always see around
Great,
on the campus
great.
as well, that are ready to assist students.
Okay, great. That means the girls, you are safe in Illinois Tech. I am completely
Absolutely.
saying IIT Chicago, but now I have to say Illinois Tech. The girls, you are very safe. No need to worry about anything, and security and police and everything is available. So I think I think this is going to solve your most of the problem, because we always concern about the security.
Correct.
Now, international students always first thing is coming in their mind about accommodation.
Correct.
The moment they will land in US, they will think where I will get the accommodation. Can you tell me more about that? Like,
Sure.
there is any accommodation shortage, or like plenty of accommodation available? Because there is lots of rumor going on right now.
Correct.
So can you give us the fact or factual data or
Got it.
true information?
So we have multiple accommodation options on campus itself, and not
Okay.
just for undergrad students, but also for graduate students.
Okay.
And not so many universities would be able to provide that for graduate
Okay,
students,
yes,
but we
yes.
do have, and it's mandatory, obviously, for undergrad students to stay on the campus for first 2 years. However, we see a good percentage of students stay back on the campus for all 4 years,
All 4
given
years.
the kind of opportunities and ease and convenience
Right.
that we have, to be
Right.
able to do the rest of their stuff as well.
Okay.
And then we have recently partnered with an off-campus accommodation provider
Okay.
as well, that assists students to be able to find accommodation options very much close by the campus itself. And when I was there recently, I could figure out this location is definitely a student accommodation location. You could see,
Okay.
a lot of stuff around that, and
Right.
students hanging out. So we have such very popular spots where students
Right.
live in the Bronzeville County itself.
Okay, okay, that's great, that's great. That means there is lots of accommodation available
Absolutely.
for the grad and undergrad.
Both.
And you already explained, आपने बताया कि can you tell me UG के लिए student need to stay in dorm for 2 years?
2 years, mandatory.
Mandatory.
Yeah.
There is no any alternative, like if they have anyone relatives nearby they can stay with that. Is there any flexibility or not?
Correct. We do offer waivers, but since a lot of domestic students also prefer to stay with us, and
Yes.
it's good to experience that life
Yes.
at least for 1 year. But we do offer waivers in case if there is a very close relative
Close
staying
relative.
very much in the vicinity of the region,
Right.
then we will provide
Yes,
waivers.
yes. So I think I have one more question on this. What do you suggest? Because undergraduate, kids is like around 18-year-old, right?
Correct.
What do you suggest? What I feel is dorm is the safest place.
Absolutely.
Or very happening place to stay.
Absolutely.
But lots of students are planning, or parents are thinking to stay, like they want to live out of campus. तो आप क्या सजेस्ट कर रहे हो कि स्टूडेंट को ऑन कैंपस रहना चाहिए ड्यूरिंग द अंडरग्रेजुएट, और what's your take on that?
I do feel they should stay on the campuses because you have all the opportunities around that.
Yes.
You'll be doing part-time jobs. You'll be
Right.
taking research projects. It becomes much easier and
Right.
convenient. You don't have to worry about, oh, I have to pay a bill. I have to do a deposit payment. If the electricity is gone or if the AC is not working,
Right.
it's very easy and functional that you just pick up a phone or let the resident
Okay.
attendant know that, okay, I have some problem, and then they will ensure that the problem gets solved before you even come back from a particular
Wow.
class.
Wow.
And then obviously being in the same vicinity of the college or on the campuses in accommodation, when you're walking to your own department, it's much easier. Even
Easier.
if you're late,
Okay, great.
which will happen.
Yes, is
which
always
will
happen,
happen. Yeah, and you can easily walk back or
Right,
forth
right.
from your campus
Yes.
as well. And I feel it's much safer, not only for students, but also we feel that it's much safer, and for us to give them
Yes.
probably late opportunities as
Right,
well.
right,
Professors have working lab
Yes.
hours as well, so it becomes easier. And then there's so much on the campus.
So much on the campus.
If you live off campus, you feel like you've missed out. Say
Right.
you're not hanging out with people there, you don't go to the concerts. We
Right.
have so many things. Like the Bog is the busiest place for
Okay.
our students, where students play arcade games, and there
Okay.
are various concerts with all the student organizations that we have.
Right, right,
So you
right.
feel engaged and you become a part of the community. And as we all know, that networking in a community
Yes.
is what is the biggest takeaway
Yes,
that
yes.
can be a student's asset when they
Right.
complete their education abroad.
Yes, yes. Miss, if you are going for UG in Illinois Tech, then I must say you need to stay in dorm, because if you are not staying in dorm, you will lose this opportunity.
True.
And networking is the topmost thing right nowadays. So I think I must say you need to stay on campus during that time, during your undergraduate, and parents as well. Now I studied in USA, तो parents और सबका एक ही concern रहता था कि how about Indian food?
Oh, okay.
मीन्स इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट है कि नहीं है, इंडियन फूड है कि नहीं है, ग्रोसरी स्टोर है कि नहीं है.
Okay.
तो एंड लॉट्स ऑफ, लाइक इफ यू टॉक अबाउट गुजरात, तो वी आर मोस्ट ऑफ द वेजिटेरियन पीपल, राइट?
Yeah.
तो हमारे वो भी कंसर्न रहता है पेरेंट्स का कि वेज मिलेगा, नॉन वेज मिलेगा.
Okay.
तो आई थिंक यू आर द राइट पर्सन टू एक्सप्लेन अबाउट दिस, लाइक यूनिवर्सिटीज में हाउ इट्स गोइंग राइट नाउ. मीन्स
So I understand the struggle because I'm myself a vegetarian.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Yeah, struggling for food is definitely
Yes.
a thing. But fortunately on our campus and in Chicago, because it's such diverse community, we have groceries very close by located for students to be able to go
Okay.
pick, because eventually they'll start cooking. So they'll need
Yes.
Indian groceries. So
Yes.
grocery shops are very much available, very
Okay.
close by. Not walkable, I would say, but at least they can like go by using a metro or
Yeah,
Didi
that's
bikes,
okay.
etc.
Transportation
Then,
is there.
yes, and in our campus we have multiple dining halls, and
Okay.
we ensure that we rotate between multiple cuisines every
Okay.
day. So students just don't feed themselves on Asian cuisine or on Mexican cuisine, but they have an alternative for every category of cuisine. And then we also ensure that the nutrition is met and the students do not feel not satiated or not satisfied with the food that we have. Plus, in addition to that, we have a street called Divan in Chicago,
Oh,
and it's
okay.
full of Indian restaurants.
What the name of the street?
Divan.
Divan Street.
Yes,
Okay.
the name itself is so
Is good.
Indian.
Oh, Indian. It's the Indian name. Yes, that's true.
Yeah, so we have so many restaurants out there where
Okay.
students can go eat out. I saw Nando's and I'm like, I'm super surprised. We
Wow.
have so many things around here.
Right.
I didn't go try Indian food there, but I'm sure the people who have done and the people that I work with at the university, when they tried food there,
Okay.
they also said it's much comparable. So
Okay.
yes, it is as good as what you will find here in India.
Okay, great, great.
And vegetarian.
And
for
vegetarian,
sure.
yes. So that's so. I think in Illinois Tech you have all the options, veg and non-veg, and
Correct.
Indian grocers are there, Indian restaurants are there. What else you need, guys? This is the best choice for the students, I can say. Also, I would like to ask you about the transportation. Means हम सब बोलते हैं ना कि US में transportation है नहीं, सबको कार चाहिए,
Got
two
it.
wheelers is also not available. So how good is the transportation at particular Illinois Tech or at the particular Chicago?
Wonderful question. So we are based very much in downtown Chicago. We have on our campus itself a tube called Exelon Tube, which is in our MTCC center. A
Okay.
tube runs over it. So a tram is literally in the campus. It's a
Oh,
line
okay.
that takes the students directly to the downtown
Wow.
as well. Then we have other, obviously, on an adjacent road,
Okay.
we have another metro station as well.
Okay.
There the metro station systems are called Metra,
Okay.
and that can be used very facilitated as well. So when I walked out of the airport, fortunately I could take a cab
Yes.
because I had that opportunity and that flexibility.
Yes.
Not students, because students would come back and
Come
forth
back
so
and
many
forth
times.
so many times,
So
yes.
they could just hop onto one of the metro stations right across the airport and then get down in our campus itself.
Okay.
In addition to that, we have DV bikes, which are charging based bikes
Okay.
that the
Bikes
students
are, yes.
can use.
Yes, yes,
And then there are shuttle services and buses around
Okay.
on the campus.
Wow.
So we have so many bus stops around the campus as well,
Wow.
that you will find it much easier for you to be able to walk to a particular bus stand and then take a shuttle bus or
Right,
take a
right.
bus. We provide them a U-Pass, which
Okay.
covers all of these facilities for them. So that will be covered in their costs, so that they
Yeah,
will
so that's what my next question is कि Illinois Tech का student है तो उसको transportation में क्या help मिल सकती है?
Correct. So we
By
give a
having a student card or
Correct.
maybe some facilities you are providing?
Correct. So we provide them a U-Pass, which
Okay.
gives them unlimited rides on metro and bus.
So it's a discounted or is?
It's included in their tuition.
In the tuitions,
so
okay.
it's a few dollars that they already pay us, and we
Okay.
give them a full year.
Full year. Oh
Yeah,
wow.
U-Pass.
Okay, great. That's a great I think opportunity for the
Yeah.
students as well.
And then because we're based in downtown itself, the travel and commute is not as tough.
Right, right.
And then if at all you're traveling, maybe you want to take a cab, then there are Ubers available.
Yeah.
But that'll be the last
option.
for
Student
you
will
as-
take
yeah.
Uber or Lyft,
Yeah.
I can say.
It's a very
Yes.
last resort.
Last resource, yes. अभी बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट हैं और बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स को ये कंसर्न होता है कि यूएस की यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं है, तो आई थिंक सबको ऐसा ही लगता है कि यूएस की यूनिवर्सिटीज बहुत गांव एरिया मींस एज अ गांव में होगी या एज अ
Countryside.
रिमोट एरिया में होगी जहां से खाना पीना कुछ नहीं मिलता है. तो लाइक कैन यू टेल मी मोर अबाउट लाइक लोकेशन, लाइक वेयर योर यूनिवर्सिटी लोकेटेड, और इट इज इन द मेट्रो सिटी और इट इज इन द सम विलेज एरिया?
Okay.
Can you give me a more idea on that?
So we are based in Chicago itself. We have 4 campuses, and the main campus, which is Meese campus, is exactly about an hour from O'Hare.
Okay.
And there's
O'Hare,
another
yes.
airport, Midway, which is very close
Very
by
close,
again. That's
yes.
more to do with domestic, and the students who would come to O'Hare and
Okay.
then drive down
Yes.
to our campus. It's about an hour away. So we are
Okay.
very much in Chicago.
In Chicago
is a
only.
very big city.
Yeah, it's a
so
very
it
big
takes
city, yeah.
time.
Yes.
Like in Indian cities, we
Yes.
spend times in
Yes.
cabs similarly. And then we have, since we're based in Chicago, the travel, commute, food opportunities, research, and all the other job prospects are also very much there. And that's the biggest benefit, as I mentioned early on, is that the students coming to Illinois Tech, the main benefit that the students will ideally see is the location.
Location, yes.
Because
Okay.
being in a bigger city means bigger opportunities.
100%.
We have over 35 plus Fortune 500 companies right
Wow.
across the door.
Nice.
The accessibility to them is very much for students
Wow,
that is
wow.
available.
They can easily get access to
Yeah,
the
and
big
then
companies.
our Stewart School of Business is literally in downtown. So we
Right,
have a
right.
campus that's Stewart School of Business in the Chicago Kent College of Law.
Okay.
That's in downtown,
downtown, okay.
itself. And this is the reason why we have that campus, is to bring in more accessibility for
Right,
students.
Right. Great. Okay. I have another question. Like, what about most of the students are talking about? I think you have clear all our doubts about the as an international student, but one few questions are still there. बहुत student को दिमाग में रहता है कि ऑन कैंपस जॉब की अपॉर्चुनिटी क्या है?
Correct. Okay. So I'll be very honest and frank. So we have in our department like student workers and student advisors. We have Hawk ambassadors.
Okay.
If you are someone who loves to talk and can take around campuses, then people like you who would come to visit
Yeah.
our campus, we are generally
Yes.
providing
Providing the
support and
support,
service
yes.
from the Hawk ambassadors.
Okay.
So we have plenty of job opportunities, from dining jobs to maybe working as a student assistant to a resident assistant. There are plenty of job opportunities, and we have a portal obviously called Handshake, which is available to students for not only for on-campus jobs but also beyond on-campus
Beyond
jobs that are
on-campus.
posted regularly from our career services department
Okay,
on the portal. And then this is very much restricted only to Illinois Tech students.
Oh wow.
So there are plenty of job opportunities available. Majority of our students are able to work, say 20 hours per week
Wow.
part-time,
Yes.
which is given standard.
Given
in
standard,
Illinois
yes,
Tech.
they have to
Yeah, as an
like
international
20
student.
hours as an international student
Correct.
on campus they have to work.
Correct.
So that means lots of opportunities is available students if you are planning to join this institute. And on campus is the big concern, because मैं जब यूएस में था तब on campus job के बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम थे, तो इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड आउट, बट आई कैन से लाइक इलिनॉइस टेक में बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ है. आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू ऑन दिस कि what do you mean कि GRA or GTA or RA means any opportunities available for
Correct.
the students, international students?
Assistantships, correct. So yeah, we do offer assistantships obviously because we are such a huge campus.
Yes.
We're mid-sized, 8,000 plus students on our campus. We need professors need support from assistants for
Yes.
sure. That's definitely there. But I must say that professors just do not give you that opportunity looking at your grades.
Yes.
You need to go on campus and prove yourself that you're
Right.
a good student. Just a 4.0 GPA is not the
Is
only
not the
thing that they
thing.
would want to see.
What
They
is
would want to see how interactive you are,
Right,
how
right.
present you are in the class, and you need to build that connection with the
Connection with the
professor.
professor.
There are opportunities that are created for you as well, and there are
Okay.
opportunities that come to you
Come
as well
to you as
based
well.
on
Yes,
that.
that's
So
true.
I think that bond, that relationship is a big factor
Okay.
in getting an assistantship. But we have all kinds of assistantships
kinds of-
available.
okay.
Because we're such a huge campus, we have students, we have professors who need these assistants. So there are multiple sections in a class,
Okay.
and that's why they need so many assistantship
Assistant,
opportunities as well.
तो स्टूडेंट्स सेफ्टी का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गया, इंडियन ग्रोसर का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गया, फिर आपको ऑन कैंपस जॉब मिल लेगी, उसका प्रॉब्लम भी सॉल्व हो गया, तो आपको क्या चाहिए? मेरे को पता है लास्ट पॉइंट आपको क्या चाहिए, स्कॉलरशिप.
Okay.
हर एक इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट को चाहिए स्कॉलरशिप. तो what do you think? What do you say about like your university is providing scholarship or not?
Absolutely. See, the more the money, the more the merrier.
Yes.
So we do offer a lot of scholarship opportunities to students. We'll start with the undergrad opportunities, and then we'll come to grad
Yes.
opportunities. So undergrad is basically you doing bachelor studies after
Yes.
grade 12 from India. You go do a bachelor studies in the US at Illinois Tech. So we offer scholarships ideally based on merit. Merit means we look at your GPA or your percentage, whatever
Okay. तो
curriculum that you have studied.
UG की बात करें तो what percentage are you looking for the scholarship?
Correct. So we're a competitive institution. So for us, a 3.0 GPA is a minimum
Okay.
requirement for admission, and anything above and beyond that will fetch you scholarships.
Okay.
So our merit-based scholarships are between the range of $10,000 to $30,000
Wow,
as well.
$10,000 to $30,000.
Yes.
Okay.
And it can go up to 40,000 if you're a very strong a student, not only in academics but
Okay.
beyond academics as well.
Okay.
And we also have something called as Leadership Academy, which is
Okay.
only given to few select students every
Okay.
year. That is is a full tuition waiver as
Okay,
well. So
okay.
which is also something that students can apply for. That is more to do with undergrad. So for
Okay.
undergrads, we generally, when it comes to requirements for scholarship, merit would count in their curriculum based GPA or percentage,
Okay.
and then we will look at their SATs if they have taken. SATs are optional, not needed.
Are you sure SAT is optional?
Yes, SATs are very much optional.
Wow.
But if they do write it, we give them additional benefits out of it, obviously.
Okay, means what kind of additional benefit? Because lots of students are always concerned like, sir मैं सेट करूंगा तो स्कॉलरशिप मिलेगी कि नहीं मिलेगी? तो
Correct.
is there any correlation कि सेट करने से स्कॉलरशिप
Slightly.
मिलती है?
Slightly, I will
Slightly,
say
right?
slightly beneficial.
Okay.
We are still very much merit oriented,
Yes.
but then if a student has a very strong SAT, we don't disregard that.
100%,
effort.
that's true, yes.
It's a very competitive.
very competitive
test, and
examination, yes.
students put in so much of effort that we want to give them the benefit of that as well.
Okay.
So and then extracurriculars in Ahmedabad as a region or Surat as a
Yes,
region. There's
yes.
so many opportunities for
Yes.
students that are available.
Yes.
So trying and doing certain extracurriculars will also play some benefits there.
तो आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन ऑन दैट एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलम, बिकॉज हमारे गुजरात में बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि 12th के अंदर बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ओनली स्टडी पे फोकस करते हैं
Correct.
कि पूरे दिन बस ये करो वो करो परसेंटेज लाओ.
True that.
तो आप बताओ कि यूएस के अंदर व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट अंडर ग्रेजुएट, आप अभी बात किया लीडरशिप,
Correct.
then you talk about extra curriculum activity. So can you give an idea to student ki what kind of extra curriculum activity they can do in India, or
Sure.
what kind of leadership position they can do? क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों को ऐसा है कि 12th में 11 12th में बच्चे को पढ़ना ही है, कोई एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलम एक्टिविटी नहीं करनी
True
है.
that. True.
तो यूएस के अंदर मेरे को पता है कि ये चीज बहुत मायने रखती है.
Correct. Yeah,
So,
because we're looking for well-rounded students,
Yes,
not
yes.
just academics.
Yes, yes, yes.
So generally, students at the undergrad level should start early. ये नहीं हो कि आप 12th में आने के बाद ये सोच रहे हो कि अच्छा now I have to go and study
Yes.
in the US.
Yes.
You should start early. So आप basically start करोगे when you're in grade 8th, 9th onwards. That is when you start building your profile.
Building your profile, yes.
That time it's early because you can focus on multiple other things as well
Right.
beyond studies as
Yes,
well. When your
yes,
parents are not hammering you about
Yes.
study.
Study, yes.
So then you can that time you can do say MUNs होते हैं आजकल
हाँ,
यूनिवर्सिटी
yes.
schools में debate competitions, you're into sports, you play, you sing, you can do whatever. So
Right,
we
right.
don't say bring in 10 different things in your CV.
Okay.
Bring 2 things that you are extremely passionate about.
Wow.
You devoted your time and there is a learning outcome out of it as well.
Okay.
So
great,
we
great.
need to ensure that students are not just academically good, but also a very well-rounded student. Because
Right.
since you have studied there, you know that वहाँ पे it's important that you engage in community.
In community, yes, because हमने यूएस में देखा है ना कि when you are going out and if you are talking to people, they are more like it's a very good skill आप बोलते हैं वहाँ पे. और ऐसा है कि education is not only a purpose, like you are good at the leadership, you are good at the sports, you are good as a helping community.
Correct.
Because बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट ऐसे हैं कि जिन्होंने कम्युनिटी में हेल्प किया है, उनको भी आई थिंक यूनिवर्सिटी सोशल सर्विसेज और कुछ स्कॉलरशिप भी प्रोवाइड करती है.
Absolutely.
तो पेरेंट्स, आप अपने बच्चे को ऐसा मीन्स यू कैन से कि दे कैन फोकस ऑन द परसेंटेज, वो अच्छे परसेंटेज लाएंगे, लेकिन यू ऑल्सो फोकस आस्क देम टू फोकस ऑन द एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलम एक्टिविटी और उनको एक्सेल कराओ कि बिकॉज आप 11th और 12th में क्या बोलते हैं कि कुछ नहीं करना है, घर पे बैठो पढ़ो. नहीं, इफ यू आर प्लानिंग फॉर अब्रॉड एजुकेशन तो आपको ये एक्टिविटी करवानी होगी और इट विल बी बेनिफिट.
8th onwards you can start. तो 11th
onwards
में
you
आप
can start,
थोड़ा
yeah.
सा उनको busy रखिए. Then 12th में if they only want to focus on academics, that's
Right,
fine.
yeah.
But then till that time they've already built a very strong profile, which
Right,
will
right.
help them
Help
in
them in
future.
the-
And then
yes.
we also have opportunities like virtual internships
Okay.
that they can do. We
Yes.
also have summer programs that they can come
Yes,
for.
yes.
And summer programs का benefit होता है कि अगर students are already coming, they know and they're not
yes.
very shocked in the cultural
Cultural
difference
shock.
as well.
Yes, yes, yes,
I'm
yes.
sure that people do understand that living in the US and living in India is
India.
extremely different.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
if you give them a summer internship opportunity, it will prepare them in advance to
Right.
know what to look forward to. And then
Right.
when the student has gotten an opportunity to see a campus and stay outside,
Stay outside,
for a
yes.
week or
They can
two
understand
without
the
the parents,
parents, yes.
then they understand
They
what
understand
life is
what
about.
life is about. Yes, yes, yes. तो let's circle back to the question कि स्कॉलरशिप आपने जो बताया कि 10,000 से लेके 14,000 तक मिलती है,
Correct.
तो इट्स अ पर ईयर है कि इट्स अ एंटायर 4 ईयर?
Correct. It's a per year based scholarship, so 10 to 40 approximately.
Okay.
We're given to a student for every year. This is a renewable scholarship.
Renewable scholarship.
Provided obviously that they meet certain criteria and they have
Okay,
to
okay.
keep a stronger GPA in
राइट
all
राइट
the
राइट तो
all the
दैट
4 years.
ओके दैट मीन्स 10,000 से लेके 14,000 तक की स्कॉलरशिप मिल सकती है
Correct.
तो और वो रिन्यूएबल है दैट
Correct.
मीन्स कि आपके ग्रेड आपने अच्छा परफॉर्म किया तो ईच एंड एवरी ईयर
Every
यू आर
year.
गेइंग 10,000 और मे बी 14,000
40,000.
और ऐसे भी बहुत सारे इंडियन स्टूडेंट होंगे जिसको 40,000 मिली होगी
40,000 is a very competitive number,
Yes,
but
yes.
yes, if you're a very good student, then you will get it. At least $30,000 is nowhere to go for Indian students. We are very good at what we do, and we are very talented, very focused students out here. And that's why if 30,000, tak to we are easily able to give students
Okay.
as well who apply to Illinois Tech. And
Okay.
then there's Leadership Academy scholarship as well.
तो मीन्स आप एडमिशन के साथ स्कॉलरशिप देते हो कि उसके लिए अलग चीज होती है अप्लाई करने की
Correct.
अलग पोर्टल है अप्लाई करने के लिए
Only for Leadership Academy, there's a separate application. But otherwise, we even at the undergrad or grad level, students submit an application to get an entry into the university, and the same application will be referred to for them to be able to
Okay.
qualify for any sorts of
ओके
scholarships.
ओके ओके तो फिर फॉर लीडरशिप यू हैव अनदर पोर्टल फॉर एप्लीकेशन
Yes.
रेस्ट स्टूडेंट्स आपको इलिनॉइस टेक में अप्लाई करना है अंडर ग्रेजुएट के लिए तो एप्लीकेशन के करने के बाद ऑटोमेटिकली आप क्वालिफाई हो जाओगे कि आप स्कॉलरशिप के लिए एलिजिबल हो कि नहीं है राइट तो
Yes.
okay that's a good thing now I would like to ask you let's talk about the undergraduate like can you tell me what are the popular courses or how your university is different from the other university specifically for the UG
Right. So when it comes to undergraduate students, we have various programs, bachelor's, we have say computer science, engineering, biology, we have design, we have
Okay.
architecture, as I said already. We have multiple programs, but then we also brought Tech Plus. So Tech Plus is basically a combination of two majors in the very beginning. So multiple students
Okay.
take multiple majors and minors, right?
yes yeah multiple minor yeah
Correct. That's a norm. But then
Okay.
we brought this opportunity where we have already combined degrees.
Okay.
So business and engineering, your degree certificate will actually say you've graduated in a bachelor's of science in business and engineering together.
oh is
And
it
it's an interdisciplinary program. We have actually created an entire curriculum out of it,
Wow.
which means that your learnings will be not something that you will have to sit and work around, but it overlaps, and the academic advisor is already there to support you throughout this program as well.
Okay,
So that's Tech Plus, and then we also have Discover Plus. Now, so many students in India are extremely confused. अबे पापा बोल रहे हैं यहाँ
हाँ,
पर इंजीनियरिंग कराओ, मम्मी बोल रही है कि डॉक्टर बन
शर्मा जी का
जाओ।
लड़का
जी।
जो हम बात कर रहे हैं
Correct. So then in that case, if you're confused what you
हाँ.
want to do, then you can come to a Discover Plus program as well. In that
Okay.
we have tracks like STEAM track, innovation track,
Okay.
social services track, societies track. So
Okay.
we students are able to explore in the first 2 years.
Okay.
उसमें as early as after first semester they can let us know कि उनको कौन सा major करना है, or else up to second year they get that exploration opportunity where they
Right,
can
right.
choose, select multiple courses, etc., and then do whatever they're supposed to be doing.
Right,
So it's
right.
like an undecided major, but
Okay.
with various other opportunities as well.
Okay.
We bring to them professional expertise through multiple shadowing opportunities as well in
Wow,
the very
wow.
first year as well.
Okay.
So we think that this particular area of a study will bring me such job opportunities. But फिर आप करोगे वो job
job.
और you shadow someone,
Shadow someone
then you
to-
realize, oh shit, I cannot
I
sit
cannot
for
sit
20 hours a
20.
day and code.
Code, yes,
So then
yes.
you suddenly you can switch out as well.
Right,
You can
right.
transition out as well, and
Right,
that is
right.
what Discover Plus is about.
वाओ तो डिस्कवर प्लस के अंदर क्या पीसीबी स्टूडेंट जा सकते हैं
Any student from any background can come to Discover Plus. The
Wow.
degree duration remains the same, 4 years. Scholarships will be mostly comparable and similar, like
Okay.
$10 to $30,000 up to $10 to $30,000.
Okay.
Same campus, same opportunities. It's just that they have the opportunity to go out and explore rather than
Okay.
binding themselves to one major from day one.
राइट तो दैट मीन्स आपने इंडिया में पीसीबी किया है पीसीएम किया है कॉमर्स किया है आर्ट्स किया है तो आप डिस्कवरी प्रोग्राम लेके जा सकते हो यू कैन एक्सप्लोर फॉर 2 ईयर दैट्स अ बिग थिंग गाइस बिकॉज 2 साल में अंदर आपको खुद को पता चल जाएगा कि आप कौन सी फील्ड में अच्छे हो कौन सी फील्ड में आप आगे जा सकते हो और आपको उसकी क्रेडिट भी मिलेगी तो आपने जो ट्यूशन फी पे किया है उसका भी रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा
Absolutely.
तो इट्स नॉट अ वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम और वेस्ट ऑफ मनी
Not at
तो आई थिंक ये पहली टाइम मैं सुन रहा हूँ कि इतना अच्छा प्रोग्राम दे रहा है तो दैट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग टू इलिनॉइस टेक कि दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रोग्राम अमेजिंग तो अंडर ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट के लिए तो आई थिंक सारे रास्ते खुल गए ऐसा बोल सकते हैं और अभी what personally motivates you for Illinois Tech about the course कौन सा कोर्स अंडर ग्रेजुएट में लेना चाहिए कि जिसकी सैलरी करोड़ों में हो सकती है?
Okay, all right. Everyone wants money. So,
Yes.
see, we're very tech focused, right? So, obviously, STEM courses students can take. We're also very strong in business STEM courses as well.
Okay.
So, from computing to engineering to architecture to maybe business courses, students can take these courses and find job opportunities, and even in healthcare.
Healthcare.
Yes.
Wow. Great.
Yes.
Great. Okay. तो now I have another thing. Let's talk about the PG. सब लोग ग्रेजुएट की बात कर रहे हैं. Lots of Indian international students are going
True.
for the master in USA.
Right.
तो हम मास्टर की बात करने में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेरे को एक चीज़ आपको पहले पूछनी है कि जिसने इंडिया में MBBS किया है, हम इंडिया के अंदर जिन्होंने MBBS किया है और डेंटल किया है, तो उनको इलिनॉइस टेक के अंदर कौन से स्टेम प्रोग्राम मिलेंगे? बिकॉज आई थिंक बोलते कि स्टेम प्रोग्राम अवेलेबल नहीं है, लेकिन इलिनॉइस टेक में कौन से स्टेम प्रोग्राम डॉक्टर और डेंटिस्ट कर सकते हैं?
Correct. So bioinformatics hai, which has gotten very popular after
Yes.
COVID, because now people understand, okay, IT, AI, and healthcare needs to be merged some point
Yes.
together, which is why bioinformatics is a very popular major, very much a graduate degree, which is STEM as well.
Wow.
And then we have biology for health professions. So
Okay.
students coming from paramedical, MBBS, dental categories can actually take that course
Okay.
and get a very holistic understanding of a master's level degree program. It's
Right.
not towards healthcare administration. It's more
Okay.
to do with a very combination course of multiple areas together,
Okay.
but that puts them out in the position to be able to find job opportunities around in the hospitals
Wow.
that we have. So biology for health professions can be a very good point as well. Pharmacy students can do materials chemistry,
Yes,
analytical chemistry. They're
Right.
more of like an analytical student
Yes.
as well. So we have opportunities for all health related programs as
Wow.
well. Although select, but they're very competitive and very job oriented.
जॉब ओरिएंटेड. ओके.
Yes, we ensure students की आप कोई भी प्रोग्राम करो, it brings you job opportunities. Otherwise it's of no use.
इज नो यूज. यस यस यस. तो आई थिंक जिन्होंने भी इंडिया में MBBS किया है और डेंटिस्ट किया है और पैरामेडिकल कोर्स किया है, नर्सिंग किया है, तो आप ये स्टेम कोर्स में जा सकते हो, बिकॉज स्टेम के अंदर आपको 3 साल की वर्क परमिट मिलती है और OPT बोलते हैं, ऑप्शनल प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग.
Correct.
तो आप ये कोर्सेज सेलेक्ट करो जहाँ पे आपकी अपॉर्चुनिटीज अच्छी होती है. नाउ इफ यू टॉक अबाउट मेन थिंग जो इंडिया में आप सब बोल रहे हैं कि 3 ईयर डिग्री 15 ईयर ऑफ एजुकेशन है, कि BCom किया है, BSc किया है, BSc IT की है, BCA किया है, तो उनको US में अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है कि 3 ईयर डिग्री की है इंडिया में. तो बहुत सारी आई थिंक सबको ऐसा लगता है कि US में कोई यूनिवर्सिटी एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करती है.
Okay.
तो कैन यू टेल मी आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी एक्सेप्ट करती है कि नहीं है?
बिल्कुल, we do accept 3-year degrees,
Okay.
BCA, BBA, BCom, whatever you might have done, BS Biology,
Okay.
if you've done. All
Yes.
of these degrees will be acceptable. We accept them directly to study a master's level program.
Okay.
We don't ask them to do a WES evaluation
Okay.
as well. We do it all internally. So majority of our programs accept, with an exceptions of few select programs that
Right,
may not
right.
accept, like maybe computer science, which is extremely
Yes,
competitive.
yes,
But we offer a range of College of Computing programs
Wow.
like data science, artificial intelligence. So BCA, BSc IT students can actually go for those programs.
ओके, तो वो डेटा साइंस ले सकते हैं, बिजनेस
Absolutely.
एनालिटिक्स भी ले सकते
Business
हैं,
analytics ले सकते
Artificial
हैं,
intelligence भी ले
artificial
सकते हैं.
intelligence
Wow.
ले सकते हैं, cyber security ले सकते हैं. So we
Great.
have opportunities. 3-year degrees are very much acceptable. फिर आपको biology के लिए जाना चाहे या फिर आप physics या chemistry
Okay.
अगर आपको करनी है, या फिर आपको business and MBA STEM program अगर आपको करना है.
MBA STEM प्रोग्राम भी है.
Yes, we do offer. So we are a very STEM-focused institution, right?
Okay.
So MBA STEM majors are available, like business analytics, finance, quantitative finance. These are all STEM majors.
तो वो STEM मेजर में 3 ईयर डिग्री एक्सेप्टेबल है?
3-year degree is acceptable. It's a STEM major, which gives them a 2+3 STEM OPT extension as well.
वाओ वाओ. तो लेकिन मेरे को एक और क्वेश्चन है, बिकॉज एडमिशन में हमको बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम आते हैं कि अभी इसमें बोलते हैं कि NAC accredited चाहिए.
Oh, yeah.
तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट?
Correct.
लाइक व्हाट?
Yeah, so we accept 3-year degrees with a condition it should be from a NAC A or above accredited institution.
Okay, yeah, obviously.
That's point one,
Okay.
because that gives them an added advantage and a leverage in terms of the opportunities that the
Opportunities.
universities have provided them in
Right,
India.
right.
And then we also need slightly a higher percentage from their side, because obviously they did a 3-year degree program. So the GPA should be comparable to other 4-year degree programs as well. So
Okay.
this is a way out for 3-year degree.
3 ईयर डिग्री. ओके, तो दैट मीन्स आपने इंडिया में 15 ईयर ऑफ एजुकेशन किया है, तो इट्स एक्सेप्टेड इन इलिनॉइस टेक. आप MBA एनालिटिक्स कर सकते हो. बहुत सारे मेजर है जहाँ पे आप आगे मास्टर परस्यू करके स्टेम डिग्री ले सकते हो. उसकी एक ही रिक्वायरमेंट है कि NAC ए अप्रूव होनी चाहिए आपकी यूनिवर्सिटीज, तो आपको जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए वी विल एबल टू गिव इट टू यू, नो नीड टू वरी, और आपका जीपीए अच्छा होना चाहिए,
Absolutely.
दैट्स द रिक्वायरमेंट। अभी
Absolutely.
सबसे बड़ी चीज ग्रेजुएशन के अंदर स्कॉलरशिप,
Correct.
अभी आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी स्कॉलरशिप देती है कि नहीं देती?
Yes, we do offer scholarships. Our scholarships are up to $15,000 per
Okay.
annum. And again, similar renewable scholarships might be available. At graduate level, mostly they're limited, but then if you're performing very well in the first year, you can get it for the second year as well.
Wow,
And
okay.
then there are assistantship opportunities that come from the second semester onwards. So scholarships are also available, assistantships are also
Okay, so
available.
what is the criteria for scholarship for master students?
Right. So we are a GRE optional institution again, right?
Sure.
GRE or GMAT optional.
No GRE, no GMAT?
GRE, no GMAT.
For grad program?
For grad programs, for any master's program. PhD programs will ask for
Yes,
GREs,
yes,
but then any master's program does not need GRE at all.
You guys
So-
are lucky, I can say, because मैंने तो GRE दी थी, GMAT दी थी उस टाइम के अंदर, तो I think वो waiver हो गया, तो it's a good thing.
Absolutely,
Yeah, go
absolutely.
ahead. तो
So
GRE,
we-
GMAT
GRE
available.
is optional.
Optional
So
है.
we generally look at students' merit basically to be able to award them scholarships. So if you're a good student, you have a good GPA, you have done probably some good internships or assistantships around here in India as well, or you've done a very good project, which every student has to do projects
Yes,
to be able to
in India,
graduate.
yes.
So those are all the things that we generally look at to be able to give
Okay.
scholarships.
Great. तो scholarship is also available. Okay, so do we have to apply differently, or it will like same process like during the applications?
Same process.
Same process,
Same
right?
application would be counted towards your scholarship. There's no separate application requirement.
ओके ग्रेट, बिकॉज बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट को ऐसी रॉन्ग इंफॉर्मेशन है कि स्कॉलरशिप के लिए अलग से अप्लाई करना पड़ता है, लेकिन इलिनॉइस टेक में ऐसी कोई फैसिलिटीज नहीं है। आपकी एप्लीकेशन लगने के बाद ऑटोमेटिकली आपको स्कॉलरशिप के लिए एलिजिबल हो कि नहीं हो वो डिसीजन में आ जाएगा।
Correct.
तो रॉन्ग इंफॉर्मेशन फॉलो मत कीजिए, दिस इज द करेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन।
Correct. So offer letter आपका जो आएगा उसी में लिखा होगा whether
Oh,
you've
okay.
gotten a scholarship or not. If the scholarship amount is also there, say we've awarded a $5,000
Yes.
scholarship to a particular student, तो offer letter में लिखा हुआ आएगा कि आपको $5,000 का scholarship भी मिला है.
Right. So that's a great opportunity. So I think GRE waiver, GMAT waiver, also scholarship is also available. I think lots of excitement I can say कि जो भी स्टूडेंट यूएस जाना चाहते हैं, जनवरी इनटेक में जाना चाहते हैं, तो उनके लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी अवेलेबल है कि नहीं है?
Yes, so we have two intakes, January, which is the spring intake, or fall, which is the August intake, and applications are open for spring already, which is January, and
Okay.
for fall also will open in about 10 days, 1st of September
Okay.
onwards, so you can go ahead, start applying for that as soon as possible.
ओके, तो आई थिंक जो भी स्टूडेंट को जैन 2025 इनटेक के लिए अप्लाई करना है इलिनॉइस टेक के अंदर, तो ये अच्छी और गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी है, आप अभी अप्लाई कर सकते हो फॉर जनवरी। अंडर ग्रेजुएट के लिए भी ओपन है, तो अंडर ग्रेड और ग्रेड दोनों जनवरी के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, और सितंबर 2025 15 दिन के बाद ओपन होने वाला है, तो डोंट मिस दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी गाइस। ओके, तो अभी ग्रेड की बात कर रहे हैं, तो सबसे बड़ी चीज ऐसी है कि सब स्टूडेंट को प्रॉब्लम आती है कि रिक्वायरमेंट, और रिक्वायरमेंट में वो भी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज रिक्वायरमेंट।
Sure.
तो इलिनॉइस टेक कौन सी लैंग्वेज टेस्ट एक्सेप्ट करता है फॉर ग्रेड प्रोग्राम?
Correct. So we only accept IELTS or TOEFL for
Okay.
grad or undergrad both.
बोथ?
Yes.
ओके,
So IELTS 6.5 and
Okay.
TOEFL should be 80, and single each band requirements are also there.
also there. Okay, तो means ग्रेड के लिए IELTS and TOEFL is
TOEFL.
accepted, and also for undergraduate IELTS and TOEFL is
Correct.
accepted. तो that's a really good information. और अभी बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट की इंक्वायरी आती है कि होम बेस्ड TOEFL एक्सेप्ट करते हो कि नहीं करते?
करते हैं हम. Yes, we do.
Okay,
We
तो
do.
home based TOEFL is also accepted in Illinois Tech, तो that's a great information. अभी हम आगे बात करते हैं कि ग्रेजुएशन प्रोग्राम, बिकॉज आपको पता है कि इंडिया में ऑल अबाउट रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट,
True that.
कि हमने इलिनॉइस टेक में इतनी फीस हम पे करने वाले हैं, तो उसका आउटकम कितना होगा? तो लाइक वेदर आई विल गेट द 100K सैलरी, 150K सैलरी, तो कैन यू गिव मी सम नंबर्स कि इलिनॉइस टेक में जो भी स्टूडेंट ग्रेजुएट होते हैं, स्पेसिफिकली कोई भी डिग्री ले लो आप, तो what will be their tentative package?
Got it. So we are very outcome focused as well. So because of our industrial collaborations, the professors that we have who have the highest level of education for that particular area, absolutely. So for all of these specific points would generally lead students to be able to find good job opportunities, because professors ke through he will be able to get
Right.
collaborations in
Yes.
industries, and we are known as the top 29 best value schools in the US.
Okay.
And best value is basically for this very reason that X amount of fee and X amount of scholarship के बाद the outcome, the
Outcome,
ROI
yes.
that is available is very comparable.
Wow.
It's very high. So we have median salaries of various other programs available on our platform itself through
Okay.
outcomes and Elevate page,
Okay.
where students can actually go and check कि अच्छा 2022 में graduate होने के बाद ये student को कहाँ job मिली, which
अच्छा,
companies
okay.
came to hire them, etc.
Okay.
Where did they stay back? All of that is available. So we have students who have gotten salaries at the undergrad or grad level as low as I would say $70,000 per annum.
70,000 low?
$70,000 per annum to as high as $150,000 per
ओ
annum.
ओके, तो आप बता रहे हो कि 70,000 मिनिमम मिल रही है,
Yes.
मीडियन सैलरी।
Median salaries.
ओके, तो इंडिया के अंदर हो गया तो 60-70 लाख रुपीस हो गया,
Absolutely.
और इट विल गो अप टू 1 करोड़ 1.2 करोड़।
Correct. Yes, absolutely.
वाव, तो आई थिंक तो आप पढ़ाई करने के बाद आपको 60 से 80 लाख से लेके 1-1.5 करोड़ की सैलरी मिल सकती है।
True.
वाव, दैट्स अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स आई कैन से। अभी हम बात करेंगे कि रिसर्च अपॉर्चुनिटी के लिए, बिकॉज आई थिंक रिसर्च का ट्रेंड थोड़ा बढ़ गया है इंडिया के अंदर। तो डू योर यूनिवर्सिटी प्रोवाइड द रिसर्च अपॉर्चुनिटी?
Oh, yes, very
और
much.
मींस थीसिस प्रोग्राम प्रोवाइड करते हो?
Correct. So we have for mostly every program, I will say, we have two options. One is a course-based program,
Yes.
which is based on project or internship, and the other one which is thesis-based program,
Right.
which leads you towards a dissertation, and then you can go do a PhD
Right.
as well.
Right.
And because we have all of these opportunities, we have labs, we have an Ed Kaplan Institute, we have an idea shop, we have places where students are actually able to do it themselves.
Okay.
Like when I was there, I saw such great things on campus that
Wow.
were made, and I was shocked. We have robots lab as well on our campus.
Oh,
We have a
okay.
sustainability and energy lab. Now that's a very sensitive topic now. People
Yes.
talk about sustainability a
Sustainability.
lot. So there is a lab that we have specifically for sustainability and
Right,
energy
right,
as
right.
well.
Okay.
From robotics to computers to DNAs and food
Wow.
science and technology
Right,
to
right.
all the way up until robotics. We have everything available on the campus itself.
ग्रेट, तो देयर इज लॉट्स ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी आई कैन से अबाउट इट। ओके, तो अभी एक क्वेश्चन हमें आपको पूछना है मैम कि जिन लोगों ने इंडिया में माइक्रोबायोलॉजी किया है, बैचलर ऑफ माइक्रोबायोलॉजी है, फिर बैचलर ऑफ बायोलॉजी है, बैचलर ऑफ केमिस्ट्री है, तो जो बैचलर डिग्री है बायोलॉजी केमिस्ट्री वाली, तो वो लोग इलिनॉइस टेक के अंदर कौन से स्टेम प्रोग्राम ले सकते हैं?
Correct.
तो आप थोड़ा उसके ऊपर बताइए, बिकॉज हमको बहुत सारी इंक्वायरीज आती है कि सर इंडिया के अंदर हमने बायोकेमिस्ट्री किया है, केमिस्ट्री किया है,
Biotechnology किया है।
बायोटेक्नोलॉजी किया है, तो वो स्टेम प्रोग्राम ले सकते हैं कि नहीं ले सकते?
Absolutely. STEM का meaning ही क्या होता है? Science, technology, engineering and math. So
maths,
science
yes.
is the preliminary word itself.
Yes,
तो sciences वाले तो absolutely ले सकते हैं, which means
Okay.
biology ले सकते हो, आप biochemistry, mol bio ले सकते हो, आप
Okay.
bioinformatics ले सकते हो,
Yes.
आप medicinal chemistry, forensic chemistry ले
Wow,
सकते हो अगर आपने
forensic.
chemistry किया है,
Right, right,
analytical chemistry ले सकते हो अगर आपको pharmacy और organic chemistry
Organic
में
में
बहुत
बहुत
इंटरेस्ट है।
right,
तो
right, right.
और अगर आपने फिजिक्स किया है तो आप फिजिक्स, एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स जैसे स्पेशलाइजेशंस
Wow.
भी कर सकते हो
Wow,
उसमें।
wow.
So we have these programs, and then we also have another department altogether of food science and technology. अभी
Yes.
students who come from various backgrounds, जैसे जिनको food science में
हाँ,
interest
फूड साइंस
होता है।
बहुत सारे लोग कर रहे हैं।
Yes, agriculture is a base of India. We
Agriculture
cannot
base.
forget our
Yes,
roots.
that's true,
तो
that's true.
उसमें food science safety, food safety technology, food process engineering, nutrition science.
न्यूट्रिशन साइंस,
These
यस,
are programs that the
राइट
students can take.
राइट। तो आई थिंक न्यूट्रिशन साइंस, फूड सेफ्टी, वो भी स्टेम प्रोग्राम है, और वो
Correct.
प्रोग्राम भी आप इलिनॉइस टेक में ले सकते हो
Absolutely.
विद स्कॉलरशिप, आई कैन से
Absolutely.
अबाउट इट। तो दैट्स अ अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर ऑल काइंड ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, वी कैन से अबाउट इट। ऑल्सो नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क अबाउट कि कॉलेज मीन्स हम हर एक स्टूडेंट, इंडियन स्टूडेंट को ऐसा होता है ना कि इंडिया में कैसे ऑन कैंपस जॉब के लिए जॉब फेयर लगते हैं, कंपनी प्लेसमेंट के लिए आती है, तो हमारे दिमाग में ऐसा ही होता है कि यूएस में ऐसी कोई सिस्टम है?
Correct.
और क्या कॉलेज प्रोवाइड करती है कुछ कैरियर सर्विसेज और लाइक इंटरव्यू प्रैक्टिस, बिकॉज लैंग्वेज बैरियर थोड़ा बहुत हो सकता है, और लाइक हाउ वी कैन क्रिएट अवर रेज्यूमे, तो इलिनॉइस टेक प्रोवाइडिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ services to the international student for placement?
Correct. So starting with our career services cell, it's based in MTCC itself, which is a student friendly area and zone, so students can actually walk in, take an appointment and ask for help as early as कि मुझे कौन सा सूट पहन कर जाना है, या what should I even wear for an interview.
Oh wow.
From there to how to build a CV, to how to present yourself, what answers should I say, what questions did they ask, what are the kind of certifications if required,
Okay.
or what is the direction, when to apply. Abhi,
Wow.
when is also a big question.
Yes, when is also a big question,
because
yes.
you don't find jobs all around the
All
year,
around,
right? There
yes,
is just
yes.
there are specific segments and timelines of
Right,
jobs
right,
that are
right,
available.
right.
So you should not miss out all of that, and
Okay.
that's why career services cell is available.
Okay.
That's a preliminary place. आप जाके थोड़ा settle down होने के बाद you should directly go and take an appointment
Okay.
with them. So we just finished our orientation and we have a specific segment of a career
Okay.
services cell
Wow.
where they explain कि workshops होती है, where they call people from various top companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Boeing,
Wow.
etc., where people come in and talk to the students कि
Okay.
what they need, what kind of job opportunities are there, what different areas people can do.
Okay.
Everyone wants to do computer science, which is great,
Great,
but there are
yes.
job opportunities in mechanical,
In mechanical,
there are job
industrial.
opportunities in industrial automation as
automation,
well,
yes,
which is
yes.
why we have these
Right.
degrees, right? So
Right, right.
these people come and talk about job opportunities as
Wow.
well, give them a direction. And then there are mega career fairs. Then each department has a multiple career fairs
Okay.
and career events as well, where people come in, they can talk about what a particular company is requiring, how to apply, when, etc. So you build that connection. And if
Right.
you're able to build that connection with them, then the responsibilities, the getting a job opportunity can be much
Wow.
easier for a way,
Right,
for
right.
sure. And then with the brand itself, the Illinois Tech brand itself, and the professor's recommendation, etc., it's easier for students to be able to walk through that
Okay.
if they follow and follow through our
Follow through the
recommendations.
recommendation. Yes,
Correct.
yes,
We
that's
have
true.
a set process for
Right,
everything.
right.
We have a program that we launched called Elevate, specifically for students to be able to find good job opportunities
Okay.
as well.
So can you tell me more about this Elevate? वो means क्या होता है? Means
Basically, it's a program that we devised for students to be able
Okay.
to say ki, acha, if you do this, if you are able to do this, if you're able to check off these boxes, you will be able to find job opportunities. Do
Okay.
internships, do project work, do research opportunities,
Right.
engage yourself.
Okay.
Even if it's an unpaid internship or an unpaid responsibility that you're getting, but you can put it on your CV, right? And
Yes,
that makes
yes,
a big
that
difference.
makes a big difference.
How different you are amongst the other lakhs of
Of the
engineers that are
engineers and
available.
yes, that's true.
That
That's
is what is going to help you get
yes,
job.
yes. तो आई थिंक जो भी स्टूडेंट इलिनॉइस टेक में अभी ऑलरेडी फॉल के लिए चले गए हैं, तो मैम की और हमारी एक ही एडवाइस है कि बस सेटल डाउन होके 15 दिन के अंदर आपको कैरियर सर्विस में जाना है और आपको वो सर्विस का फायदा उठाना है. बिकॉज आई हैव सीन ड्यूरिंग मैम, बहुत सही बात है कि जब मैं यूएस में था ना, तो हमारे वहाँ कैरियर सेल था, लेकिन नो वन इज टेकिंग एडवांटेज ऑफ दैट.
True that.
तो अभी आई कैन से कि जो भी इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट है, आपकी हर यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर कैरियर सेल होता ही है, तो आप उनका एक फायदा उठा सकते हो. दे विल गाइड यू थरोली.
Correct.
और हमने देखा है कि स्टूडेंट्स आर गेटिंग लॉट्स ऑफ इंटर्नशिप बाय टेकिंग द कैरियर सर्विसेज.
Correct.
और एज अ इलिनॉइस टेक as situated in the Chicago, like hub of the IT industries, hub of the financial industries, तो आपको वहाँ की कैरियर सेल का एडवांटेज लेके यू कैन इजीली गेट द जॉब.
Correct.
इंटर्नशिप आपको डेफिनेटली मिल पाएगी. तो अभी से शुरू करना है स्टूडेंट. वेट मत करो कि 2
Last
महीने
day,
3
oh
महीने.
yeah. Last semester तक.
Last semester
Students
तक.
wait till last semester की
Yes.
OPT के लिए, then we'll find
Yes,
out.
find out. Yes, yes.
Also, we paired students with alumni advisors. Alumni advisors are basically people who are working in a particular company. They want to give back to the institution.
Oh, okay.
So we pair students with them as well. So उसमें
Okay.
you'll be able to learn from their mistakes कि same level पर पहुंचने के लिए easiest way. They have made their own mistakes, so they'll
Right.
share their experiences, which is a
Nice.
good
That's a good-
point.
that's a good
Which is a
thing.
good point as well. So we are one of the few institutions that are able to do that
Wow.
as well.
That's a good
So
program.
alumni advisors connects are available for students to be able to work with the alumni. So many alumni come on our campus and then obviously are able to recruit students as well.
Wow,
They are senior positions or having their own startups
Startup,
and companies. So being in connection with them as well brings you job
वाओ.
opportunities.
तो चलो, आपने एल्यूमिनाइज की बात कर दी है, तो मेरे को बताओ कि इलिनॉइस टेक के पॉपुलर एल्यूमिनाइज कौन से हैं.
Correct.
और कोई इंडियन है? मैंने सुना है कि
Okay.
एक इंडियन है जो मिनिस्ट्री में पहले थे.
Gee, correct. So we have people who have made cell phones to people who have made Alexa,
Oh, wow.
and have many Indians as well who have pioneered these research opportunities. So we'll talk about one Rajshekhar ji, jinka
Yes,
we were
yes,
we were
yes,
discussing
yes.
a few minutes back.
या वो
who
स्किल
is a-
डेवलपमेंट के
Exactly.
इंडिया के बहुत ही बड़े पर्सन थे,
Absolutely.
राजीव चंद्रशेखर सर जी. आई थिंक उन्होंने इलिनॉइस टेक में से ही किया था.
Absolutely. One is him as an example for sure, who came back and wanted to serve
Yeah,
back
yes,
in Indian
yeah.
economy.
He came came back and now serving the Indian community,
Correct.
Indian skill development organizations. तो स्टूडेंट ऐसा नहीं है कि इंडिया से जाके वहाँ पे पढ़ाई करके वहाँ पे भी सेटल हो जाओ. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो इंडिया आके इंडियन इकोनॉमी भी कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं कि जो इंडिया में आके खुद का बिजनेस करते हैं, खुद का स्टार्टअप करते हैं, पॉलिटिक्स में ज्वाइन होते हैं और इंडिया को चेंज करने की भी बात करते हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि एब्रॉड में सेटल होना दैट्स व्हाट योर मोटिवेशंस. आप ऐसा भी कर सकते हो कि इंडिया आके इंडिया में भी आप सपोर्ट कर पाओगे.
And on that note, we have so many entrepreneurs from Bangalore to Mumbai to
Okay.
Delhi. We have people who have come back who have started their own businesses or have supported back in their family
Right,
businesses
right,
as well.
right,
Patel communities,
Patel
and
communities,
Gujarati
yes.
communities,
Gujarati
more to do with
more
businesses as
business,
well.
yes.
So I do want to highlight that our learnings and opportunities do not just place you out in the world to be able to find jobs. They
Right.
also place you and help you to be able to grow your businesses if you
business.
have here back
Yes,
at home.
yes, yes.
And we also have people who are like Rohit, who was a pioneer engineer in terms of Alexa's
Okay.
engineering concept in itself.
Yes,
we
yes.
have
So he's graduated from.
he graduated from Illinois Tech.
Ah, okay.
And
So
then
I
we
think the
have
person who helped in supporting the Alexa.
Alexa, correct.
Yeah, okay.
And we all know that
Yes.
how important Alexa
Alexa.
is in our homes at
वाह
least.
वाह 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 सही है. तो फिर इलिनॉइस टेक में तो बहुत सारे ऐसे एल्यूमिनाइज क्रिएट किए हैं कि जिन्होंने लाइफ चेंज की है, लोगों की लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट लाया है. तो आई थिंक आई कैन से इट इज़ अ बेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी फॉर यू. आप यूजी करने के लिए जाओ, पीजी करने के लिए जाओ. आई कैन से इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इंस्टीट्यूट. और जैसे भी मैम ने सब कुछ बताया कि सेफ्टी के बारे में बताया, फूड के बारे में बताया, ऑन कैंपस जॉब के बारे में बताया, स्कॉलरशिप के बारे में, रिक्वायरमेंट के बारे में, आई थिंक हमने सारी चीज़ कवर कर ली है. और आई थिंक एज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन मैं आपको पूछना चाहता हूँ कि कोई भी स्टूडेंट इलिनॉइस टेक में एडमिशन मिलता है और वीज़ा इंटरव्यू के लिए खड़ा रहता है,
Okay.
तो मैं ऐसा नहीं बताऊंगा कि मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि आपको स्टूडेंट को कैसे आंसर देना चाहिए, बिकॉज दैट्स वी आर नॉट गाइडिंग दैट. लेकिन कोई बंदा वीजा ऑफिसर को कैसे कन्विंस कर सकता है फॉर इलिनॉइस टेक कि मेरे को ये यूनिवर्सिटीज में पढ़ाई करनी है, और वो हर एक वीजा इंटरव्यू पूछते हैं कि व्हाई यू हैव सिलेक्टेड दिस यूनिवर्सिटी.
institution.
तो कैन यू गिव मी अ आइडिया, वी डोंट वांट आंसर, बट कोई भी स्टूडेंट कैसे प्रिपेयर करेगा कि हाउ दे कैन जस्टिफाई वीजा ऑफिसर.
Correct. So, fortunately, Illinois Tech has a very good visa success rate in the market.
Okay, great.
So, we have been able to see very good success in terms of undergrad or grad visas. As far as visa officers are concerned, they are only concerned to know whether you're a genuine student or not.
Oh,
Whether
yes,
your
that's a
only
good point.
intention is to come to the university to study, and you have done a thorough research about the university, not just because your ex-friend is there or your colleague recommended you.
Yes.
If they recommended you, that's the baseline. And then you go and do your own research.
Yes.
Why this program? Why this professor? We arrange so many virtual events for you
Yes.
to be able to connect with professors.
Right,
We bring faculties from our campuses to
Yes.
India to be able to, for them to meet the students,
Meet
for
the
them
students,
to
yes, to
understand
get
what
interaction.
is the requirement
Right.
currently, where are Indian students thinking and what are they doing
Right.
these days. So these are opportunities where you can actually connect with them as well. And the visa officers are only concerned to know whether you have done research on the institution or not.
Okay.
Whether you know
Very good
where
point.
you're going or not.
Right,
Whether you know what sort of opportunities this institution will bring or not.
yes,
Not
yes.
just because some ex-person recommended you.
Recommended, right?
Yes,
right,
the
right,
recommendation is a baseline, but then
Right.
the students need to do their own research.
yes.
So a majority of it is a STEM excellence that we have,
STEM excellence,
and
okay,
the
that's a
kind
good-
of opportunities in terms of research labs, etc., that are available. More practical based education. आप MBA भी करोगे तो आपको practical education है. You have case studies. अब books नहीं होती है वहाँ पे.
yes.
We have more to do with learnings, outcomes, case studies. We have people. अभी these professors have their own businesses or work in a particular companies who
Wow.
come and
Industrial
teach.
tie-ups.
Industrial. And they
Okay.
are working and then teaching as well. So collaborative effort.
Collaborative
together.
effort,
So
yes.
then they also tell students these case studies, problem solvings that
right.
they are able to
Case
do.
study based education is also
And
there,
also
right.
these students are quite engaged and involved. They
Right.
are to do it.
Right.
It's not like the professors are teaching them. They have to be involved. They have real life concepts to be able to
Okay,
work on
great,
as well.
great.
So it's more to do with practical learning
Practical
education as well, which students can ideally focus
Wow.
on when it comes to differentiating Illinois Tech.
ग्रेट, थैंक यू सो मच. आई थिंक जो भी स्टूडेंट इलिनॉइस टेक के लिए जाना चाहते हैं उनको वाई दिस यूनिवर्सिटी का आंसर मिल गया होगा. तो दिस इज द परफेक्ट आंसर. यू कैन फ्रेम इट. ओके, इट इज अप टू यू हाउ यू वांट टू फ्रेम इट, बट दिस इज द आंसर कमिंग फ्रॉम द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव. तो ये बहुत ही सही आंसर है. आप वीज़ा इंटरव्यू में प्लानिंग कर सकते हो. अभी मैम मेरे को एक बात करनी है कि इंडिया के अंदर बहुत सारे लोग बोल रहे हैं कि एमबीए करने के बाद अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है और इंडिया में तो एमबीए करना ही नहीं चाहिए, तो इंडिया में नहीं करना चाहिए तो एब्रॉड में करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए, लाइक स्पेसिफिकली इलिनॉइस टेक में करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए?
करेक्ट, सो डेफिनेटली करना चाहिए बिकॉज
Okay.
वी हैव एमबीए एक वैल्यू है, द वैल्यू ऑफ द प्रोग्राम इज नॉट चेंजिंग, राइट?
Okay.
Mainly probably students are not understanding the value of MBA program. It's more to do with the practical based learning. आपको अभी आप खुद एक बिजनेस चला रहे हो तो आपको
हाँ.
पता ही है आपको कितनी सारी स्किल्स की जरूरत है,
Skills की
आपको
जरूरत है.
अकाउंटिंग, फाइनेंस, लीडरशिप,
Leadership.
एचआर सब कुछ
सब
बनना
कुछ
पड़ता है
बनना पड़ता है.
आपको,
हाँ,
तो
सही
आपको
बात है.
तो पता ही है कि हाउ यू नीड टू रन अ बिजनेस।
Yes.
और अगर यही आप कन्वर्ट करो, ट्रांसफर करो अपने स्किल्स को टू इन अ जॉब,
Right.
तो आपको जॉब में भी ये सब कुछ रिक्वायर्ड है। इफ
Right.
टुडे वी आर टू रन अ टीम ऑफ 50 people or run a team of 500
500
people,
people,
we
yes.
need leadership skills, we
Right,
need
right.
skills that an MBA is going to help us
Right,
with. So
right.
there are job opportunities, there are opportunities available as well. We have specializations for these. We have a business analytics specialization, we have finance as a specialization.
Okay.
In that, students can also do organizational, strategic management. These are all opportunity, these are all options for students to get opportunities after this as well.
Okay.
And more practical learning, more skill based,
Right.
case studies based learning. Our MBA programs don't have books.
Okay, great.
Everything
So
is
everything
more to
is
do with
practical
professors
experience,
providing.
simulations,
Correct.
projects, case
Yeah.
study based. Oh,
Our
okay,
classes
great.
are also very much engaging and interactive. So
Right, right, right.
that is what MBAs bring you.
Yes, that's
MBAs
what
are
the MBA.
more to do with, okay, go read the book in your free time,
Right,
but then when
right.
you come to the class, you apply that learning.
वाह वाह, तो दैट मीन्स कि जिन्होंने इंडिया में एमबीए कर रहे हैं तो वो बोल रहे हैं कि बहुत सारी सैलरी नहीं मिल रही है, तो कोई स्टूडेंट है जो इलिनॉइस टेक में एमबीए करने के लिए जा रहा है स्पेसिफिकली, तो उसकी मिनिमम सैलरी कितनी होगी?
So obviously it's a very specific question
Specific
to
question,
say.
yes. But
Different levels.
Average, we can say like average salary.
Our Stewart School of Business is extremely committed to be able to find job opportunities for students, and 97% of our students find job opportunities well within 6 months of their graduation.
97%.
That's the highest of our institution, and the Stewart School of Business
Wow.
is extremely committed to be able to assist with that.
Right.
And we have very high packages as well for students. I would say a good median salary for a student would be about $100,000.
$100,000?
Yes.
तो दैट मीन्स कि आपने इलिनॉइस टेक में से एमबीए किया है, स्पेशलाइजेशन है कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स, क्वांटिटेटिव फाइनेंस, फिनटेक, ये सारे ऑपरेशन, स्ट्रक्चर और मीन स्ट्रक्चर और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बिहेवियर, स्ट्रेटेजिक मैनेजमेंट, ये सारे एमबीए कोर्स में से कोई भी स्पेशलाइजेशन चूज किया है तो आपकी सैलरी आप 100K, तो दैट मीन्स इंडिया की वजह से 80 से लेकर 90 लाख की हो सकती है।
True that.
ओह ओके,
If you're committed to the program.
वाओ, तो इट्स कमिटेड टू प्रोग्राम। तो जो भी लोग इलिनॉइस टेक में से एमबीए कर रहे हैं उनको 80 लाख से लेके 1 करोड़ तक की सैलरी मिल रही है एमबीए करने के बाद, वो भी स्पेशलाइजेशन के बाद। तो आई थिंक स्टूडेंट इज अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी। तो दिस इज द मिनिमम सैलरी, बट एट देन डिपेंड अपॉन योर स्किल
Median
एज वेल,
salary. It's the mid-range.
मिड रेंज सैलरी, और ये स्टूडेंट की स्किल के ऊपर भी डिपेंड है
Correct.
कि ये ऐसा नहीं है कि everyone will get it, but
Correct.
आपके पास स्किल है, आपके
Absolutely.
पास नॉलेज है, यू हैव अ
Correct.
गुड जीपीए, यू कैन इजीली गेट इट।
Absolutely.
वाह, और इलिनॉइस टेक भी सपोर्ट कर रहा है
Correct.
आपको जॉब ढूंढने के अंदर।
Absolutely.
Right?
We do that.
Yes.
We
So
do. We have a department-specific career services as well that we provide.
Okay, so
The
that means
Stewart School of
department-
Business
Okay.
has their own career services cell as well to be able to give students the
Oh.
opportunities, internships. Our business students तो first semester से start करेंगे ना internships.
yes,
so all
yes,
of that
yes.
project works that they will be doing.
Right,
So
right.
first semester onwards, their journey starts very early.
अर्ली, राइट, ग्रेट। तो मैम बताइए कि बेस्ट कंट्री एमबीए करने के लिए कौन सी है, और समझ लो कि रिटर्न ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट कितना है, लाइक यूएस में आप कौन से रेकमेंड करोगे कि यूके, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, न्यूजीलैंड, यूएस, व्हाट योर रिकमेंडेशन एमबीए करने के लिए?
See, there are multiple institutions across the globe, but we all know the most well-ranked institutions are based in US itself.
Yeah,
so I
that's
will
true.
highly recommend US. Obviously, students' preferences might be different as well, but then US provides you that leverage, that additional advantage that
Right.
is going to help you put forward into your job market as well in future. So I think US is a very strong choice because we also have so many specializations that are available and offered to the students, and a tech pioneer obviously
Yes,
US
that's
is. So there are opportunities, and everything now revolves around tech. So
Yes.
we obviously want to consider
Great.
that. So US is definitely a good choice, and Illinois Tech is basically a place that the students can look at for
तो
about
मैम
80,000
what I can say about
onwards.
this कि what is the minimum salary student can get after doing MBA in USA. तो specifically about your university or maybe around all around the US across the US minimum salary कितनी होती है?
So depends on the students' capabilities, but at Illinois Institute of Technology, our students have been able to get packages which are as good as $100,000 as well. So that can go as less as $80,000 as well to as high as about $150,000 as well. Depends on the
ओके
students.
ओके तो दैट मीन्स कि 80,000 यूएस डॉलर से लेके 1,20,000 यूएस डॉलर की सैलरी आपको मिल सकती है एमबीए करने के बाद
Absolutely.
इलिनॉइस टेक के अंदर.
Absolutely.
तो आई थिंक वो इंडिया में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो इट विल बी लाइक 90 लाख से लेके 1.5 करोड़ तक की सैलरी आप इजीली ले सकते हो.
True that.
वाओ, तो दैट्स अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी आई कैन से अबाउट इट. तो यूएसए के अंदर सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर की अभी बहुत सारी डिमांड है. तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक लाइक हाउ मच दे आर अर्निंग? तो बैचलर कंप्लीट करने के बाद और मास्टर कंप्लीट करने के बाद what is the base package the software engineers are getting nowadays in USA?
At the undergrad level, I will say about $70,000 per
Okay.
annum is a good average for
Yeah,
students to be
okay.
able to make at the undergrad level.
Wow.
And grad, there's no limit, but I will say about $90,000 is a good average for students.
Okay.
It can go as high as up to $150,000
Wow.
as well if the students have the capability of making that differentiation in their profiles.
Profiles, right. So how about Illinois Tech?
Yes, this is basically our numbers,
okay,
but then
okay.
it applies to good technologies,
Good technologies,
STEM focused
STEM okay.
yes.
तो that means आप समझ लो कि अंडर ग्रेजुएट करने के बाद आपको फ्रेशर्स एज अ फ्रेशर्स आपको अप्रोक्सीमेटली इंडिया में कन्वर्ट करें तो 60 लाख से शुरू होगी उसकी सैलरी. और मास्टर की बात करें तो सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग के अंदर आपने जैसे बताया 80,000 तो लेके 1,000 प्लस 100K प्लस, तो आई थिंक 90 लाख से ज़्यादा भी होगी. तो जो भी स्टूडेंट्स इलिनॉइस टेक में से सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग करेगा और मास्टर्स कंप्लीट किया होगा तो उसकी स्टार्टिंग सैलरी 80 लाख से लेके 1 करोड़ तक जा सकती है. बट आपके अंदर स्किल होनी चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाट द मेन थिंग. यूनिवर्सिटी आपको पूरी इकोसिस्टम प्रोवाइड करती है, लेकिन आपको एक्सेल कैसे करना है वो डिपेंड अपॉन यू.
करेक्ट, एब्सोल्युटली
राइट. तो सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग है और इलिनॉइस टेक में कौन से प्रोग्राम है रिलेटेड टू द सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग कि व्हाट आर द प्रोग्राम्स यू आर ऑफरिंग?
Correct. So basic software engineering is there. Computer science is also there. For then the new age programs like artificial intelligence, cyber security. Cyber security engineering is also there. Data science is there. Business analytics is there. Marketing analytics is there. The actual fintech was very popular, so we also have that. So we have a good range of programs. आप mathematics और computers को combine कर सकते हो. आप electrical और computers को combine कर सकते हो. आप robotics और mechanical को IT के साथ combine कर सकते हो. उसमें industrial technology program would be available as well. So program
range of programs.
Yeah, we have a range of programs in every department.
Right. तो बैचलर में भी है और मास्टर में भी है.
Masters में भी
तो all options you have it.
Absolutely.
तो मैम अभी सब लोग फ्यूचर की बात कर रहे हैं कि फ्यूचर में कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी अच्छी होगी, कौन सा फ्यूचर प्रोग्राम अच्छा होगा और एरिया कौन सा है कि लाइक द विच टेक्नोलॉजी इज बूमिंग. तो आप बता सकते हो कि टॉप 3 बूमिंग टेक्नोलॉजी और एरिया और फील्ड जो नेक्स्ट 5 to 6 years में आने वाली है और उसमें स्टूडेंट कैन परस्यू देयर डिग्री और लाइक दे कैन बिल्ड देयर फ्यूचर और मींस करोड़ों रुपए की सैलरी कमा पाए.
Yes, specific to Illinois Tech या फिर generally for US terms में अगर I can say computers and IT technology definitely is the most booming area for sure. But that is also becoming very interdisciplinary. So computers को भी आप business के साथ merge करो या engineering के साथ भी merge करो, then that brings you more opportunities as well. So technology, but also add more interdisciplinary approach to that. Secondly, I would say engineering is here to stay, and we all live, breathe engineering. Sure. So then engineering is definitely going to be staying. We're all seeing now, obviously, cars are getting automated. There are so many processes and things जो पहले laborers करते थे, वो अभी robotics में हो रहा है. तो फिर then there are opportunities in engineering as well. And the other area could be a business as well, depending on the student's interest. And also, I can say if the students are coming specifically to Chicago as a region, then architecture is a very good program as well. We all know this beautiful skyline of Chicago that is there, and a major contribution of that skyline is through Illinois Tech alum.
Oh, okay. तो that means आपको मास्टर ऑफ आर्किटेक्ट करना है, बैचलर ऑफ आर्किटेक्ट करना है तो इलिनॉइस टेक आपके लिए बेस्ट ऑप्शन है बिकॉज प्रैक्टिकल बेस्ड लर्निंग होगा और इलिनॉइस टेक के बहुत सारे एल्यूमिनाई है जो शिकागो का आर्किटेक्ट किया हुआ है. तो
Correct.
cities architect has been done by the
Built
Illinois
by
Tech
our
alumni.
architects. And even on the campus, there are so many big areas, जैसे
Okay.
popular areas, जैसे मैंने Exelon Tube का आपको बताया कुछ देर
Yes,
पहले,
yes.
which runs on our MTCC center.
Okay.
It is also one of the architectural monuments that you can see on our campus.
wow. तो आर्किटेक्ट करना है तो आई थिंक बोले इलिनॉइस टेक इज द बेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी
Absolutely.
फॉर योर फ्यूचर प्रोस्पेक्ट. तो मैम आपने बताया कि आपकी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के अंदर 10 लाख से लेके 32 लाख की स्कॉलरशिप मिलती है. तो कैन यू टेल मी अबाउट द क्राइटेरिया कि इतनी सारी स्कॉलरशिप देने के क्राइटेरिया क्या है?
Sure, absolutely. Scholarships का major criteria is GPA or percentage. We are a competitive institution, so 3.0 is a minimum GPA that we need for admission, and then anything over and above that will bring scholarships to students. So 3.0 in a CBSE range would be about 80% and above.
80%, okay.
ICSE slightly thoda less is fine.
Right.
And then depends on the programs as well. Computers, business would require slightly higher percentage, so 85 and above we can say.
Okay.
In CBSE, ICSE curriculums, and then IB, Cambridge curriculums
Yes.
also we give major benefits in terms of scholarships
right,
for them. So scholarships ka the basic criteria remains: the higher is your GPA or your percentage, the
Okay.
better your scholarship would be. And then anything additional like SAT apne liya hoga, so
Yes.
that will add a little benefit
little
into your
benefit.
profile.
Yes,
And
yes.
any extracurriculars that you might be able to project on your profile would be also considered for scholarships.
ओके. तो इलिनॉइस टेक के अंदर आपका जीपीए 3.0 से ज़्यादा हो तो आपको 10 लाख से लेके 32 लाख की स्कॉलरशिप के लिए आप एलिजिबल हो
Absolutely.
अकॉर्डिंग टू योर प्रोफाइल. तो ये बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है और ये रिन्यूएबल भी है कि
Correct.
दैट मीन्स आपने पहले साल अच्छा परफॉर्म किया तो नेक्स्ट ईयर ये स्कॉलरशिप आपको रिवाइज करके दे सकते हैं. तो
Absolutely.
आपकी स्टडी आई थिंक बहुत ही कम पैसों में कंप्लीट हो सकती है. तो दिस इज अ बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी आई कैन से.
Sure.
यस मैम, मेरे को लग रहा है कि योर इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग स्किल इज लाइक आई एम टॉकिंग टू सम अमेरिकन पर्सन बिकॉज द वे यू आर स्पीकिंग और जो इंग्लिश है. बट आई नो दैट यू बोर्न एंड ब्रॉट अप इन इंडिया. तो हाउ लाइक व्हाट डू यू रेकमेंड टू द इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट जब इंडिया छोड़ के यूएस जाते हैं तो everyone is talking about the English language.
Correct.
I know language is not a barrier, but it's helpful.
Correct.
Right? Because initial
Good
interviews,
medium.
good medium, and initial interview is all about English, in English only. So, ma'am, as a person, what tips you will provide to the international students, and how your university help student into in their English language proficiency, or means IELTS और TOEFL तो clear कर दिया है, but day to day English or
Absolutely.
how to convince the interviewer, or like what kind of skill you are helping.
Correct. So at our university we provide all kinds of services. उसमें आप English language proficiency के लिए we have ESL, which is the intensive English language pathway basically,
Right.
where there are additional classes if you require that extra support to be able to build your vocabulary or to be able to develop the skills that are required to function in a day-to-day basis in US.
Okay.
If other than that, beyond that as well, we have tutoring. So we have
Okay.
tutoring available on campus. It's free of cost,
Okay,
obviously.
okay.
So the tutoring, the students can take benefits of those tutors to be able to communicate regularly and then build their English vocabulary skills,
Wow.
etc. And then services as such, career services cell. They help you build answers. They help take mocks, rather I
Okay,
will say,
right.
or give you suggestions on the basis of what needs to be answered and
Right,
what
right.
specific terms you should fit in into
Fit
your
in the
vocabulary to be
vocabulary.
able to answer. The
Yes.
engineer's vocabulary should be different. A business person's vocabulary should be a little different.
Yes,
So
yes.
all of those things are taken care of when the student comes on the campus. So
Wow.
these are three things that I will say: career services support cell, tutoring that we
Tutoring,
have on the
yes.
campus, and then the the intensive English pathway
ESL
that we have.
pathway. Yes,
IEP, which we say on our campus, which is
Oh, okay.
available for student support.
राइट. तो आई थिंक जो भी, बिकॉज बहुत सारे इंडियन स्टूडेंट है दे कैन कम्युनिकेट वेरी वेल टू नोन पीपल, बट टू
Absolutely.
कम्युनिकेट विद अननोन पीपल वो बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम होता है उन लोगों को. तो आई थिंक दे कैन टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस सर्विसेज एट द इलिनॉइस टेक. और English is not a barrier of success, it's a one path you can say.
Correct, yeah.
But yeah, definitely you need to boost your English speaking skill by taking these services. तो इलिनॉइस टेक स्कॉलरशिप दे रही है, फिर देन आफ्टर ऑन कैंपस जॉब्स भी बहुत सारी अवेलेबल है, और उसके बाद ग्रेजुएट होने के बाद करोड़ों की सैलरी भी कमा रहे हैं इलिनॉइस टेक के स्टूडेंट्स. तो ये सारी चीज है, तो लेकिन मेरे को बताओ कि सर मैम एडमिशन क्राइटेरिया क्या है, व्हाट इज द एडमिशन क्राइटेरिया और उसकी प्रोसेस क्या है?
Sure. So we'll start with graduate students first now. So graduate students के लिए basic requirements है उनकी marksheets. आपने 4 year degree की है तो 3 years की marksheets, अगर आप 4th year में हो तो, और complete कर लिया है तो सारी marksheets हमें
Right.
चाहिए. उसके अलावा then degree certificates etc. additional documents that we will need, and minimum GPA should be 3.0.
Okay.
3.0 in a competitive range in India for Illinois Tech would be about 7.0.
7.0, yes.
Yes, for computer science it's slightly competitive. So you'll take an average of 7.5 to 8. We do not require GRE, but if you want to write, then it's absolutely a choice. In addition to that, IELTS or TOEFL just for English requirements, and then letters of recommendation,
Okay.
which are a professor's view for
View,
a student, or an internship if you have done. You can also provide a letter of recommendation from internships
Internship
place,
as well,
or
okay.
if you have done an assistantship like
Okay.
Nirma University who provides all
Yes.
of those opportunities.
Yes.
GTU, Ahmedabad University,
Yes.
these are also available. So you can also provide these letters.
Okay.
And then a statement of purpose. Why Illinois Tech? Why now?
Okay.
Why this program? What will it help you to become? What are you looking at to be in future if you finish this program? A basic written document for a student, about 1.5 page, and a CV, a basic resume, not too complicated, just to get an understanding of what all students have done.
Okay.
So that is the graduate admission
Graduate admission
requirement.
process,
And then
yes.
application is available online,
Okay.
which obviously you and your team is
Yes.
very aware about to
Right,
support.
right.
Comes to the undergraduate level, we require 9th, 10th, 11th mark sheet if the student is currently in grade 12th.
Okay.
Or if completed 12th, then 12th mark sheets are also needed.
Also, you need transcript as well?
Yes, we will need transcripts as
9,
well.
10th, 11th, and 12th
12th.
transcript.
9th and 11th we need transcripts. 10th
Okay.
and 12th we need the mark sheets
Mark
that are
sheet.
provided generally.
Okay.
We do our internal evaluations in Convergence.
Okay. And if student is in 12th standard right now, you need a predictive score?
No, we do not need a predicted score.
You don't need a predictive score?
No, we do
Okay.
not. We just need 9th, 10th,
10th and
11th
11th
mark
mark
sheets
sheets.
or transcripts.
Or transcripts.
Either or. 10th grade mark sheet is required, the CBSE or
Okay,
ICC,
ICC,
whatever,
yes,
board
yes,
mark
yes,
sheets.
board mark sheet.
And then we need IELTS or TOEFL.
Yes, IELTS.
SAT is optional.
Optional.
Essay is optional, but
Okay.
I would strongly recommend students to write it.
Right.
Letters of recommendation are optional, but I strongly recommend
yes.
if you are able to bring a recommendation
Yes, 100%.
letter.
Yeah, it's definitely help.
And a CV which will have extracurriculars, a list of everything that you've
Okay.
done, your interests, your hobbies. In undergrad level, we want to see how enthusiastic the student
Right,
is.
right. That's true. तो I think these are the basic requirement UG और PG. तो स्टूडेंट्स आपको इलिनॉइस टेक की सारी इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए UG के लिए, PG के लिए, कंप्लीट गाइड चाहिए तो कमेंट के अंदर IT लिख दीजिए इलिनॉइस टेक और हम आपको सारी गाइड प्रोवाइड कर देंगे, एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस प्रोवाइड कर देंगे और एप्लीकेशन में भी हेल्प कर देंगे. थैंक यू.